What's up guys, you're watching the Stitch Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-102943-9. The application cannot be launched with this user. So it's kind of error. Sometime you just download in the different user and you are try to play in the different user. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we go to the screen. And you must check your application is up to date or not, and then you go to the settings, and here we go. In which user you are just downloading the application, you just sign in that one and then go to the settings. In the same PSN account you downloaded the application, go to the other, and here you have a console sharing and offline play. You just simply enable the console sharing and offline play. After that, your application will be playable in the other PSN accounts. You are just signing the same console. And the restore license, sometimes you're having a problem with the license, you just restore the license and then it will be work. The first option is okay, you just enable in the PS4 you just active as a primary PS4. In the PlayStation 5 you just enable a console sharing and offline play. It's the same thing. So that's how you can do it, and you must check the server. Sometimes the server is down, that's why it's not working. So if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.